Have you ever paused to ponder about the elements of nature and their profound significance in our lives? Well, these elements, often referred to as the Pancha Mahabhutas in ancient scriptures, are earth, water, fire, air, and space. According to Indian ancient philosophy, the universe, living beings, and even our food are derived from these elements. They are the very elements that sustain us, heal us, and connect us to the world around us. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so for more content on natural living. Starting with the earth element represents stability and solidity. How often do you walk with your feet in the dirt, or in sand, or on grass? The earth element's treatment involves walking barefoot, sitting and lying on the ground, which can help ground us, enhancing our sense of stability and connection to nature. Another earth element's treatment is the application of mud on the body. To learn about the preparation, application, and incredible benefits of mud treatment, click on the video link shared in the description box. Water, the second element, symbolizes fluidity and cohesiveness. It forms rivers, lakes, and oceans in nature. In our bodies, it's approximately 60% water in the form of blood, lymph, and other bodily fluids. Hence, drinking enough water is essential for everything from maintaining a healthy weight to energy levels and flushing toxins out of the body. Treatments associated with the water element include different types of baths, such as steam baths, spinal baths, hip baths, and sitz baths. In nature cure, hydrotherapy uses water in various forms, steam, ice, liquid, to stimulate circulation and enhance the body's immune response. The fire element represents transformation and energy. Within our bodies, it's present as a digestive fire-driving force behind metabolism and growth. Sunbaths and massages are common treatments of the fire element, which can help stimulate our metabolism and overall vitality. Air, the fourth element, signifies movement and lightness. In our bodies, it's our breath and the circulation of vital nutrients. Morning walks, deep mindful breathing, yoga, pranayama, and exercise are treatments associated with the air element, promoting breath control and enhancing physical agility. For more information on the benefits of exercise, its required type and amount, click on the video link shared in the description box. Lastly, the space element, symbolizing openness and emptiness, is the vast cosmos, the infinite sky above us. In our bodies, it's the hollow spaces like our stomach and lungs. Fasting, self-control of mind, speech, and action, right living, adequate rest, happiness, entertainment, and sleep are treatments linked to the space element, providing us with a sense of liberation and calm. In conclusion, the five elements, earth, water, fire, air, and space, play an integral role in our lives, our bodies, and the food we consume. Just like a symphony where each instrument contributes to the harmony, the five elements work together in balance to create a state of health and overall well-being. When this balance is disturbed, it can lead to illness. The interconnectedness of these elements reminds us of our deep ties to nature and the universe. So the next time you enjoy a meal, take a breath, or simply feel the earth beneath your feet, remember the profound significance of these elements and their harmonious interplay in shaping our existence.